This is a bead lock tool in Classic Parts of America. Installing a bead lock on the rear window of a 1953 Chevy pickup truck. And as you've seen in the beginning, see how I'm doing this twisting motion. You set the tool in between the lip here of the seal, and it's wedge shaped, and it fits in between the upper and lower portion of this seal. And what I've done was took some Windex, and you can use, I've heard people using KY jelly, baby oil, salt and water. I use Windex because that's what I use to install the window. But yeah, you put this tool in there and you get it nice and slippery to where it can slide, and you just wiggle it back and forth, maintaining the tool edge inside this seal, the upper and lower portion, and you can just wiggle it back and forth. Now it is 55 degrees. It's January and it's 55 degrees here in Missouri, but hey, I'll take it. So yeah, you just wrap that around there like that and go all the way around the window. I just started, so it's probably gonna take a while. I've been doing this for probably about 5 minutes, and while I was doing it, I was taking pictures, and then I was like, you know what, let me put a video up on YouTube, because I was looking and I only seen one other video. But that's the tool from Classic Parts of America, and it's a pretty basic tool. I can tell you what, it's kind of rough on the old hands, but hey, it comes with the job, I guess.